Now students, let us see multiplication in measurement. Let us take one example to understand it. Here we have to multiply 71 liters 51 centiliters by 23. Here also beta, in multiplication also we have two methods. Okay, let us see first method. According to first method, first we have to write these given units. Okay, here we have two units, liter and centiliter. So first we have to write liter and then centiliter. First we have to write greater unit and then on right side we have to write smaller unit. Now we have to write 71 downside of liter and 51 downside of centiliter. Now we have to multiply this number with 23. And when we multiply 71 liters, 51 centiliters with 23, we get this answer. Okay, means 1,64,473. But here beta, we need to write liter and centiliters also. See here, these last two digits, we have 4 centiliters and these all other digits 4 liters. Okay, so here we have to write 1,644 liters and 73 centiliters. Okay, this is answer. Now let us see second method. According to second method, first we need to convert this into decimal number. Okay, and here we have 71 liters 51 centiliter. So how can we write beta? First we write 71, then after liters we have to put decimal point and then we have to write 51. Okay, 51. Here we should have only two digits. Why? Because here you can see liter, centiliter. Liter here and here centiliter. From liter to centiliter, here we have only two units. Okay. So for these two units, we should have only two digits. Okay. So we have to write 71.51 and here we have to write liters because here we have to write greater unit. Okay. Now we have to multiply 71.51 with 23 like decimals. Okay. Now beta, we have to multiply 71.51 with 3 with first digit from right side. Let us start. 3 1 jar 3, 3 5 jar 15. Now 1 will be carry. And one more thing students. When we multiply a decimal number with a whole number or with a decimal number, then we need to forget this decimal point. But in answer, again we will put decimal point. Okay. But now we need to forget this decimal point. 3 1 jar 3, 3 5 jar 15, 1 will be carry, 3 1 jar 3, 3 and 1 4, 3 7 jar 21. Now for this first digit, here we have to put this sign of cross or you can put 0. Now we have to multiply 71.51 with 2. 2 1 jar 2, 2 5 jar 10, 1 will be carry, 2 1 jar 2, 2 and 1 3, 2 7 jar 14. Now we have to add 3, here 7, 4, 4 and here 6 and here 1. Now we have to put decimal point in our answer. Here beta, we have only two digits after this decimal point. So in answer also we have to leave only two digits from right side and then we have to put decimal point. So before 7 we have to put decimal point. So 1644.73 liters will be answer, or you can write it like this also, 1644 liters and after this point we have centiliters. Okay, so 73 centiliter. So beta, you can see by both method we get the same answer. Okay, so you can use any method to solve this question. Now students, let us see division in measurement. Let us take one example to understand it. Here we have to divide 16 meters 5 centimeters by 15. And here also beta we have two methods. Okay, like addition, subtraction and multiplication. Here also we have two methods. So now let us see first method. According to first method beta, first we need to convert this into smaller unit. Okay, according to first method we need to convert the given number into smaller unit. Okay, and here we have two units, meter and centimeter. We know meter is greater unit and centimeter is smaller unit, so here we need to convert it into smaller unit. So first, we need to write the relation between meter and centimeter, and we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Why beta? Let us see here. Here we have meter and here we have centimeter. Okay. So here, after meter here we have only two units. So we have to write 1 for meter and 2 zeros for these two units. So here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now we have to multiply 16 meter with 100 because we want to convert greater unit into smaller unit. Okay. If we want to convert greater into smaller, then we need to multiply, and if we convert smaller unit into greater unit, then we need to divide. So here we have to multiply 16 meter with 100, and when we multiply 16 with 100 we get 16 hundreds. Okay, means 1600 centimeters. Okay, now we have to add this 5 centimeters to 1600 centimeters. Okay, and when we add we get 1605 centimeters. Now we have to divide 1605 with 15 like whole numbers. Okay, like the division of whole numbers. And when we divide 1605 with 15, then we get 107 answer. 107 meter or centimeter? Centimeter, because here 1605 centimeters we have. Okay, so these are also centimeters. And if we want to convert it into meter, then what will we do beta? Then we need to divide by 100. Okay, because we know the relation between meter and centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we need to convert centimeter into meter. Okay, smaller unit into greater unit. So we need to divide it by 100. So now we have to write 107 centimeters is equal to 107 divided by 100. Okay, and we can write it like this also, 107 by 100. Okay, 107 divided by 100. 107 by 100 means 107 is divided by 100. Now beta, we have a fraction with denominator 100. So we can convert it into decimal very easily without doing long division. Okay, we have already discussed that. You can see here that how can we convert a fraction into decimals. Okay, so here we have 100, means here we have two zeros in denominator. So we have to leave two digits from right side, and then we have put the decimal point. So first we have to write numerator as it is, and now count the zeros. We have two zeros, so we have to leave two digits from right side, and then we have put the point. So 1.07 meters. Okay, will be answer, or we can write it 1 meter only 7 centimeters. Okay, now let us see second method. In this beta, we have to convert this into decimals. Okay, so how can we convert? For meter we have 16, so we have to write 16. Then after meter, after this greater unit, we have to put decimal point. So here we have to put decimal point, and then we have to write 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Here we have only one digit, but here we should have two digits. Why? Because after meter, see here, meter, centimeter. From meter to centimeter, we have two units. Okay. So here we should have two digits. So to make two digits, here we need to write 0 before 5. Because if we write like this 16.50, then it will be wrong beta. Okay, because 50 means 50 centimeters, but here we have only 5 centimeters. Okay, so we have to put 0 after this decimal point, means before this 5. Okay, so 16.05 meters we get. Now we have to divide this by 15 like decimals. Okay, like division of decimals, we have to solve it. So here we have 15. Now we have to divide 16.05 with 15, and here we have two digits in our divisor. So from dividend also we need to take two digits. Here we have 16, so we can divide it with 15. 15 1 ja 15. Now we have to subtract 15 from 16, and when we subtract we get here only 1. Okay, now we have decimal point. After that we have 0. So before writing this 0, we need to put decimal point in our answer also. Okay, now bring down this 0, but here we have only 10, and here we have 15 as a divisor. So we cannot divide 10 by 15 because it is smaller than 15. So we have to put 0 in our answer, in our quotient for this digit. Okay, now we have to take 5. Bring down 5. Now we have 105. Now we have to divide 105 with 15. Okay, and we know 15 7 jar 105. So here we have to write 7 in our quotient, and here 15 7 jar 105. 5 minus 5 0, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, or you can put here sign of cross. Okay, so 1.07 will be our answer. 1.07 meters. 1.07 meters will be answer, or you can write it 1 meter and 7 centimeters. Okay, so by both method you get the same answer. So you can divide by any method. Okay, जो भी आपको easy लगे आप उसी का use कर सकते हो बेटा. I hope you all have understood this chapter.